Welcome to another episode, not 100% accurate. Episode 12. My finished Beskar case. I haven't painted it yet, but I plan to paint it. This is the other greeblies I added. That's from Final Faction. I added this right there. I added some other greeblies. I forget where I got these from. And I also added this and then a wire. I plan to light it up and also added some stuff from the chopper that I had that I tell you in the other videos. If you go back and watch my videos from the beginning, I think that looks like, electronics. And that's what it looks like so far. I added that right there and that on the other side. I plan to add lights like I said, and I plan to paint it. I left the wire like this because I plan to hook up the wire to this electronic piece. This is an electronic piece, and I plan to add lights in here too. The lights, of course. Ouch, I can't open it, sorry. Sometimes it's hard to open. There we go. The Beskar's gonna go in there. Maybe I paint inside of it. I plan to put the battery pack in here and have the wires run into all these holes that I have drilled into the thing, and I plan to make some holes in front of this thing. But yeah, now I just gotta prime it. I'm gonna prime it first and then paint it color. So I know I promised y'all another video or something different because this is for Star Wars. So I'm going back to my original videos way back when I took this water gun and I made a laser torch. Somebody told me that's what it looks like. He said, this looks like more like a laser torch. That's what somebody corrected me again. And that's what it is. It's supposed to be a laser torch. Now, I might use it for something that I saw in another movie. This is my reputation. I like the way it came out. See how I painted it and everything. And it does look like a laser torch. And somebody told me it looks like almost a laser torch from Aliens. Part 2, when they used the laser torch, and that gave me an idea for other stuff that I plan to make for that movie. Remember, my name is J13. It's not 100% accurate. I would like some likes and comments on my videos, and tell me what I can do better in these videos so I can learn. I'm still learning how to get these videos out, and hopefully somebody get to see these videos. And I'm out.